Hello there, family friends. Everyone from Car Sport, Joey Jones. Yes, I am. I am on the road, but off the road. Well, first, let me say congratulations to all the ones that are obtained a CDL, all the ones that are driving by themselves, regional dedicated home daily. Actually, I don't drive trucks no more. Now I'm a CDL Class A instructor. This is my yard. We've been working on it. And I got one of the questions from some drivers. So then the question was that is it best to work for a bigger company or a smaller company like a mom and pops? Well, the difference varies because when it comes to a bigger company and you're on a load, say it was canceled, they can always reschedule you, and because bigger companies, they communicate, by phone, but a smaller company is all by emails. You have to wait for that email, and they don't know how to reschedule or cancel the load. So in other words, for instance, when I was working for a smaller company, every time we had a load and they canceled the load, they will send you over there no matter what. Because what they do is they'll send you over there no matter what, because they know they're going to try to make something out of you or have someone give the customer the time to either fix the load or put you in a different load. And that's how it works. They don't know what is to reschedule a load. Like when I was with Swift and a couple of others, you can do you can reschedule it and pick it up the next day, or if it's not ready, you can always come back the next day. No, smaller companies, you have to sit there, you gotta wait, because they work by email, and that's why they have you wait, and it takes longer. It takes a lot longer for them to reschedule you, and sometimes they don't even reschedule at all. So in my case, bigger companies, if you have the experience, then yes, you should go with a bigger company. Now for smaller companies, then you need the experience because they don't want you to crash your trucks. So I recommend for you to do the homework yourself. All right, but yes, small companies, they just believe on cash. They believe on money. They don't care about whether you're sitting around or waiting or reschedule, whatever the case may be. But all right, my peoples. So once again, be safe out there. Much love. Talk to you. Catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Be safe. Later.